welcome to the kitchen and welcome Briony.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining us today. As you can see, we've got the legendary Briony here, fresh from Bake Off. So we're going to do a lovely festive collab, as you can probably guess from our outfit. I love Christmas. I'm Christmas's #1 fan. I don't know about you.
I'm Christmas's #1 fan.
Well, we'll see about that. But I just love wreaths. Like I've done lots of like savoury ones.
Yeah.
And I thought about doing some really nice meringue tree hanging ones.
Lovely.
So we're going to do that today.
Fabulous.
First thing we'll do is make some meringue. So we've got some egg whites and some caster sugar and a little bit of vanilla extract here. So we'll do a big one and some small ones, and we'll do some colourful ones too.
Marvellous.
So let's get started.
Okie dokie.
Do you want to give that a whisk up?
Yeah.
I saw on the Bake Off, didn't you all have to make the vegan versions?
Meringue, I know.
How did you find that?
That was great fun, but it was just a bit random. I just really want to know who came up with that.
That's what
Who
we
thought
say.
about whipping up the chickpea juice?
It's
until
mad,
it was
like whoever
meringue?
discovered. I like to think it was a happy accident.
I think so.
Yeah.
Oh, my chickpea juice has fallen into my stand mixer. I'm just going to whisk it up and see what happens.
I'm going to have a bit of my coffee while you're doing that. You can do all the work.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah.
The most favourite thing I think I've ever made with a meringue, I did it for one of my YouTube videos actually, maybe I can do a link. A really delicate meringue cake, a layer cake. It's made with like 6 layers of meringue. It was so lovely, it was really delicious. It's just a strawberry and cream one.
I'm a big fan of pastry.
Oh really?
Yeah. I don't know, there's something really satisfying about pastry, I think. Especially things like, you know, puff and choux.
Yeah.
It's quite aesthetically.
It is.
I like that.
Maybe you can make my shoe nuts.
Oh yes, yes, I was watching that video earlier.
Yeah.
It reminded me a bit of the Pastry Week technical, the Puy d'Amour.
Oh.
But like without the puff pastry bit on the bottom, which is quite similar.
I think that might be one I haven't watched.
It's the one I got Star Baker in.
Oh, is
Juliet,
it?
Yeah. The only one.
Oh, I'm terrible. Shall I taste it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's alright.
Does that feel about right?
It feels, yeah, it feels
Yeah,
pretty.
that's good. Oh, that's perfect. Look at that. I think we'll add some flavouring.
Fabulous.
So just whack it on again.
Fabulous.
Nice bit of vanilla. There you go, put that in. Smells lovely.
Oh, that smells so nice and vanilla-y.
Yeah.
That's definitely the best vanilla extract, I reckon.
I think so too. We're going to do 2 types. We're going to do one really large wreath, which is going to be a really nice kind of like centrepiece, and then we're going to do some mini ones. So we'll take a bag and we'll actually, you can leave them on actually.
Oh, sorry, prematurely ejected, didn't I?
I've got just a plastic piping bag.
Yeah.
I'm going to cut the end off. The
Really
bluntest
effective
scissors in the
scissors.
world. I've got the large open star nozzle.
Fabulous.
The old Nut 1M, which is one of my favourites. So I think it's always a good idea to sort of like have a circle as a guide.
Yeah.
So if you can draw around this 8-inch cake tin onto there, and I will load up the bag.
Yeah, if I didn't have a guide, it just ends up very wonky.
Yeah, I was trying.
Sometimes even with a guide, it ends up really wonky.
So that should be enough for that one. So this one, that's just a similar type of nozzle, but like a smaller
version.
one.
Okay.
So this one is a 74.
So would you actually hang these on the tree?
Yes, they hang really well, because I'm going to show you another tip actually about my clever idea, which I'm really proud of. So that should be enough for the white, and then we'll do some green. So you're going to be at your home for Christmas?
Yes, we kind of alternate when my husband cooks.
Oh really?
Lunch. Yeah,
Oh,
great.
that's lucky.
It's his big moment of the year.
It's really raining, isn't it? Horrible.
A bit more?
Yeah, go for it, a bit more. Yeah, that'll do. Once you see the idea, you can make any colour scheme. You know, your wreath, your rules.
Wow.
Do you mind loading me up?
Cool.
Right, okay, so we've done all the work, the preparation. Tree hangers.
Yeah.
So I had the idea of using baker's twine and actually baking it into the meringue.
That's so clever.
So just kind of like around where you did the sort of guideline, just take your string, just kind of put like this.
Okay.
And you just sort of place it in like that. Go over with your little rosettes, I'll call them. Begin piping and then wrap around. And just do them kind of next to each other like that. Can I just say, you've actually been in the same room for a long period of time and actually know Noel Fielding. How amazing is that?
He is just the most amazing man. People love him, and there's a reason for that. That's because he's just ace.
Yeah.
One of my goals is to have a proper
decent oven.
Decent oven.
I'm sure you'll get offered about one from every brand now.
That'd be nice.
I really like KitchenAid.
I didn't even know they did ovens.
Didn't you?
No.
I need to take you to the KitchenAid Experience store.
Oh my god, there's a KitchenAid Experience store. Ooh,
yeah, because we're going to have some sprinkly action on here.
Love some sprinkles. This is a good thing to do with kids, isn't it?
We're going to do some with some sprinkles baked on.
Okay.
And then we've got some where we can use royal icing and stick some on afterwards.
Oh, okay.
And then we've also got, which I'm really excited about, these new like lustre dusts, which are called diamond dusts. And you can brush them on when they've been baked. You can just like do 2 holly leaves. And then I was using one of these as a little berry. Lovely, we're all sticky and covered in sprinkles, which is the best way to be.
Yeah.
Put them in the oven at 120 degrees for about 30 minutes and then turn it down to 100 for a further sort of 40 minutes-ish till they're dry. Right, now time for our big one, for our big ring. Go like this and then wrap around like this.
Okay.
I'm going round all in one size, one size rows, and then I'll go back round again in different sizes so it looks a bit more kind of broken up, so it doesn't look so structured. So kind of like making little cups of meringue that we'll be filling in like with some cream and We'll pop him in the oven now for same temperature but maybe a bit longer to kind of like make sure it's all like baked off. Yeah. And then we'll come back and decorate. Bake off? Yeah. Here we go. I think I might have.
Wow, look at that.
It looks good, doesn't it? A bit slightly overdone, maybe I might say. I've put some extra bits on there as well. I might try one. Oh, lovely.
Well, I feel I'm going to try one.
Yeah, go for it. So,
oh, that's delicious.
This is called Diamond Dust. It's a new product. And just kind of brush it over your warm meringue like this. Just kind of be quite generous with it because I like to brush off the excess. Do you want to have a go? It's completely edible. Because you know sometimes you get those glitters that are really, really shiny but they're just actually non-toxic. They're not officially edible. That's what we want, isn't it? It comes out like when you've got the baby's nappies and it comes out all sparkly. Have you had that before? With yours? Oh, my children always used to have like really sparkly.
Sparkly poo?
Yeah.
You've got a bit of meringue on your face.
Oh,
on the side.
Why did you leave it so long to tell me? We've got some lovely Christmassy fruit. Got some walnuts. So this one's gold.
Gold, as we say in Bristol.
What do you say?
Gold. That's how they say gold in Bristol.
Do they? And then we've got this one, which is
cocoa gold. Lovely.
Yeah, dip them in there.
Dip them in there, give them a wiggle round.
So I'm just going to kind of pipe this into my meringue wells.
It's the same pattern, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's the meringue.
Just kind of fill it all in there like that. I'm not sure whether I want the walnut or not. Do I want the walnut?
There was an advert a few years ago of like a dog eating a Christmas cake. And they had to take it off because they were like, well, if your dog
you want to merge your dog for Christmas?
Cake, yeah.
Give him a Christmas cake.
Give him a Christmas cake. Like, no, don't do that.
Oh, lovely.
Look at that.
Might even just then put like something like one of those on there.
Nice. That's so nice. This cocoa one's amazing.
So we'll call that done.
Yeah, fabulous.
And then let's do our miniature ones. Look at that.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Really good, aren't they?
Nice, yeah.
So they're the ones obviously we baked with the sort of sprinkles. Yeah. Let's just sort of add a bit of decoration to some of the other ones using a bit of royal icing. Yeah. We can just add sort of like the other decorations that you wouldn't have baked. So we've got larger gold balls. We've got these stars, which are quite nice. Oh! Oh God! Let's blame Lola.
Lola!
I've got a few clonks on here. And then it's just fun, isn't it? Just to be as sparkly and twinkly as possible. Yeah. Look at that, it's done.
Lovely jubbly. I might just put some gold balls on here.
Oh, that's nice, by the way, you've done it centred. Can you see me? Look at that.
Fab.
Wonderful. I think we should hang some in the tree in a minute. Thank you so much. They're like special earrings, aren't they?
You can make meringue earrings.
You could. No, why not? Oh, well, thank you so much for joining me today.
It's a pleasure.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
And to you, Merry Christmas to one and all.
To one and all.
And everything you need to make these is just down there, and we'll see you soon for more videos. Bye. Bye.